Hi, in this video we are making this super easy love heart mini shaker in Design Space. Open Cricut Design Space and create a new project. Go to the left hand side toolbar Shapes, find the love heart and click it. We see the size of the heart at the top here. We could change the size by typing in any size we want. I'm gonna change it back to 2 inches wide. To make a shaker, we need 2 layers of acetate. Select the heart, right-click and duplicate. These are the top and bottom acetate heart we will need. Right-click and duplicate again. Change the color to pink. This will be the love heart frame. Go to the top and click Offset. The default distance is 1/4 inch. The blue outline is the preview, which will make it bigger than the heart we have made. I want to make a frame that is inward, so we change the distance to minus. I prefer sharp corner than round corner, just change to the straight corner. Here I make it minus 0.125. You could make the frame thicker or thinner if you prefer. Click Apply. Now there is a new love heart that is 1/8 smaller than the heart we have made. Select both love hearts and go to the right hand side bottom and click Slice. They have been sliced to 3 pieces. The frame is the one we want. Delete the other 2 hearts. In order to make a shaker, we need to add in some depth to create room for glitters. Duplicate the heart frame, select both frames and duplicate again. There are 4 frames in total. 3 of them will stack together and one of the frames is the top of the shakers. Here are all the elements to make one shaker. Click Make It to get to the Prepare page. Change the project copies here to make more. Click Apply and the number will be applied to the cutting mat. Send to cut when ready. Here are all the cutouts. I use different paint colors to mix and match. To start, glue 3 love hearts together. 3 layers stacked together to make room for glitters. We have glued 3 layers of heart now. Next, we will glue them to an acetate heart. This is the base of the shakers. Now we will make top of the shakers. Grab 1 love heart frame and 1 acetate heart. Glue them together. On the left hand is the bottom of the shakers and the right hand sides are the top of the shakers. The bottom we have 3 layers stacked together. The top is with 1 frame only. Check the glue is dry before we put glitters in. Once the glitters are in, glue the top and the bottom together and give it a good press. Now the shakers are dry. Here are some that I found not sealed properly. We can see on the side that there is a gap. Glitters will spill out if there are gaps. Just need to open the shakers and apply glue again. Here are all the mini love heart shakers. It is a quick and easy project. Thank you for watching.